Janome.
Hi, I'm Kelley McKenzie, long arm specialist here at Janome. Today I'm going to show you how to thread your Quilt Maker Pro 20. To start, you'll place your spool of thread on the thread stand. You'll take your thread and you'll actually go in between these two pieces of metal right here so that it comes right through the loop. You'll then come through this thread guide right here and just click it in place. Once you've done that, you'll then come to your 3-hole threader. You will place the thread from the back to the front into each hole on the thread guide. Now you might wonder why there are 3 holes here, and that is for different types of thread. If you have a very delicate thread that's like an invisible thread, a very lightweight thread, you're going to maybe do 1 or 2 holes. So you might skip the middle, or you might only use the top hole. That will be something that as you grow as a quilter, you'll play with when you start playing with different threads. The next place we'll come is through this little click right here, and that's just bringing your thread closer to the tension discs, and then you'll go around these tension discs. Now, this is a beginner's mistake. They will go around this tension disc right here, and they will think that it's in their tension disc because it looks like it is, but what you have to do is you have to dental floss it. So I'm going to take it on either side and dental floss it really well to make sure it's in there nice and tight. You will actually feel it click into place when you do that. Once you've done that, you're going to come and kind of put it over this little spring, the tension spring, and bring it down underneath the stirrup right here. Then we will come back up to the take-up lever and thread it from back to front. Okay, so there's where we're at so far. And then we're going to come right down here and we're going to just twirl our way through those little pieces of metal on that thread guide. Once we've come through this take-up guide right here, we will then go through this little hole at the front of our needle bar. Once I get there, I'll show you. So we went through that access hole right there. And then we are going to go right to the eye of the needle and thread it from front to back. And that is how you thread your Quilt Maker Pro 20.